Welcome, kids! Let's learn numbers 1 to 10 with a fun poem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 is the sun shining bright. 2 are the eyes twinkling with light. 3 are the kittens playing with glee. 4 are the birds singing in a tree. 5 are the fingers on one hand.
Woo!
6 are the ducks walking on sand. 7 are the colors of rainbow high. 8 are the stars that sparkle in sky. 9 are the balloons flying away. 10 are the friends who love to play. Great job, kids! Now you know numbers 1 to 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iamrhymesworld.